She's in a mood today because of all the flies. I'm going to ignore that behaviour and get straight on. Sometimes that's what I've got to do with her so that we don't have a problem. So we'll just go nice and easy. Take our time, go slowly. Good girl. I don't know why she doesn't want to listen, but I'm not going anywhere if she doesn't listen. So I'm going to stay wall and stand. And I want her to drop. I need to know she's listening. Drop. Good girl. Without her listening to me, there is no point in trying to escalate any further. There was a branch that seems to be going to come down, but it hasn't quite come down yet. So I'm a bit wary of that as well. So we'll just see if we can have a quick look while I'm over here. Make a big crash or anything. Oh, here comes the wind now. That's all right. All right, just going to have to bite the bullet and take it slow. Walk, 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 walk. And this is where I've got to watch that she doesn't try to go crazy up here. There we go. Okay, so we're out here. Just keep her busy, keep her feet busy. I'm nervous as hell. I'm a bit shaky. I'm feeling a little bit weird. I'm just going to take it nice and slow. I don't want her to trot or anything like that. I just want her to walk nice and easy. Good girl. Good job. We're just going to walk around. Take it slow. Good girl. Good job. And whoa. And whoa. Just ask her to walk for a second. And drop. And walk on. Walk on. Good girl. Good job. So my legs are shaking like goddamn jelly. And I am actually probably worse than I have been for a long time with my nerves. Probably almost as bad as it was the very first time I ever came out here with her. I'm actually extremely nervous, but at the same time I can see she just wants to have a little bit of something to chew on, and I'm actually in a mind to really let her do it, simply so that I don't have, come on, no, so that I don't have the nerves that I've got. But it's not a great idea. There's a dragonfly there. There's a dragonflies are everywhere, and that's making me nervous too, because they're the ones that she freaks out with. So we'll take it slow, nice and easy. She's been really good. She's relaxing. Good girl. And whoop, just go slow. Just go slow. Good job. Good job. And I have to remember that my nerves are just nerves. It's nothing wrong. Nerves are starting to get a little better. I'm very pleased I'm back over here again. I'll have to make sure that it's not a week before I go again. Now there's a big pipe there on the ground that looks like a snake, but it's not. Walk, good. This is where we've got to start pushing the boundaries and saying, we're going to do what we're asked to do. And if she's not happy to do that, then it's back to the drawing board and back to the beginning again of working out what it is that's going on. Yeah. And she's definitely, having a bit of a munch there. Okay, now I'm going to ask her, because she stood still for a bit, I'm going to ask her to walk on after she's settled. And that rewards her and relieves her of that stress. Now she's back into the work frame of mind, and she's understanding, okay, this is what is required of me. My mind's on food, but I need to have my mind on my mum. on my rider and my leader. Good job. Good girl. Good job. We're going to go down and around here without having any food. That's a good job. Good job. Now my reins aren't loose, but they're not on the, it's not on the bit. Good girl. Good job. Good job. And she can see my horses over there. Zara over the back there. You probably can't see it, but she just caught a glimpse of him, I could tell. And I'm going to ask her to whoa. And we're going to stand again. Drop. Drop. No, whoop. Drop. No, no, we don't want to, we're not going anywhere. We're going to stand and drop. Good girl. Drop. Good girl. And stand. And stay. And we're just going to stand. Good job. Good job. Stay. Stay. Giving her the reins. So this is her decision. She's standing there. She's not being told to stay as in with her reins being pulled. But the second she starts to leave, I'll correct that until I'm ready. I didn't give the signal yet, so we're just going to wait. There we go. Good girl. And stay. I'm going to give the signal with my hands now, and let's see if she's listening. There we go. Straight away. She's listened. She's a bit annoyed with not being able to eat the grass. Yep. Yep. I'm going to go up here again. This time I'm going to ask her to trot. No, she's assuming that I want to go in a different direction. And we just wanted a little trot. So that's then just giving me a bit more of my own decision making to go a little bit faster than what I would normally be comfortable with, which is good. I'm asking her to go for a little trot. And whoa. And whoa. Took a little bit longer than I would like for her to whoa then. Good girl. Good job. So she's at the spot where she knows I allow her to have a pick. So what I'm going to do, it's not very nice grass right here. I'm not going to let her pick at that because that's not nice. So I'm going to move the picking spot over here. We'll go up and across this way and let her have a bit of a pick of the nicer, softer grass. It's just a bit easier to chew while you've got a bit in. Good girl. Good job. Just over here a little bit. And whoa. And whoa. And drop. And whoa. And there we go. She's having a little pick there. And the reason I'm allowing this is because I'm actually going to finish up in just a moment because I'm feeling a little bit funny, dizzy and stuff, and sore. I wasn't even going to do anything today. I was actually thinking about just leaving it, but I'm glad I have, because it's allowed for her to have this good experience. And I'm going to just go around here and get a little bit closer to over there. Good girl. And she's wanting to now, see, this is the thing where if you give an smile, and sometimes you've just got to teach them that it's when we say. I can hear a lizard or something scurrying through there, so gladly it's going in the direction away from us, not towards us, which is good. I'm trying to keep her from doing what she wants. She's Go up, trot, and wool. And we'll go down and then we'll finish up. And that'll do for today. It was a nice little reintroduction for myself to getting back into here. And wool, wool, walk, and walk on. So I'm going to ask her to walk. See, I'm trying to say to her, no, just because we're stopped doesn't mean you can eat. Okay? Not just because we're stopped doesn't mean you can, Yeah, yeah, good. And this is just a good little lesson for her. It's a great little lesson for her. Very good for her to have to wait. Now we'll go over where the nice grass is and we'll wool here. We don't want to get caught in the blackberries. Drop. And she can have a quick pick there. And that's more than enough for her for today, grass-wise, and more than enough for me riding-wise. So my nerves now are probably half of what they were. I'm still a little nervy. They're probably half of what they were before. I'm actually more nervous about going back across the creek than I am about anything, only because of these trees at the moment. They're creaking and stuff, and you can't be certain that it's not going to be an issue. Walk. Good job. Walk. And I'd like her to walk. No. I'm going to get her to walk, nice and easy. Walk. We don't need to go fast. There's no need for it. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the day then. As far as going out goes, I might do a little bit of work in the arena, and that'll do. Good girl. Good job. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss a single video. Nice and slow. Good girl.